Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SEO audit reports from Screaming Frog step by step clearly. Open the Screaming Frog SEO Spider application. Make sure your website URL is entered in the entry field. Click the Start button to initiate the crawl. Wait for the crawl to complete. Once the crawl is finished, navigate to the top menu bar. Click on the Reports menu. Select all pages from the drop-down options. A new window will appear displaying the report data. To download this report, look for the Export button. Click on Export to open the download options. Choose your preferred format for the report, such as CSV or Excel. Select the destination folder on your computer where you want to save the file. Click Save to download the report. You can now open the file using your preferred spreadsheet software. Review the data to analyze your website's SEO performance. Repeat these steps for any other reports you want to download, such as redirects or response codes. Refer back to the Screaming Frog app to adjust any settings if needed. Make sure to keep your reports organized for easy access in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.